This short video will review unpacking and installing the 84TR Tork hand towel roll dispenser with lever auto transfer. You'll need to have on hand the following: a level, pencil, 4 screws, 4 anchors, and a drill. Each Tork 84TR dispenser comes individually packed with a key taped to the bottom. First, you'll need to determine the position on the wall where you will be mounting your dispenser. Ensure the dispenser is level before marking the holes on the wall. This will help ensure proper dispensing. Use your pencil to mark through the holes on the back of the dispenser to indicate the spots where you will be drilling the mounting holes. Drill the holes and insert the 4 anchors. Attach the dispenser using the mounting hardware and complete the installation. Your Tork dispenser comes with a plastic key to open the dispenser. Insert the key into the keyhole at the top of the dispenser and push down to open the dispenser. There are loading instructions on the inside of the dispenser under the transfer arm. Open the cover and place the towel roll on the main roll supports and feed the towel off the back of the roll. Lift up the transfer arm and feed the towel between the rollers and the transfer arm. Close the cover and pull the lever once or twice to feed the towel through the rollers. Your dispenser is now ready for use. When the towel is getting near the end, remove it from the main roll supports and install it on the stub roll supports. There's no need to remove the towel from the feed assembly. Install a new roll onto the main supports and feed about 3 to 4 inches of towel underneath the transfer arm. Close the cover. The stub roll will be completely dispensed and the new roll will be automatically fed through the rollers.